We're going to review the top 5 best garden bridge, that you can choose the right one for your purpose. Number 1. Outsunny 5 Feet Bridge. The Outsunny 5 Feet wooden garden bridge is a perfect choice that can be attributed to creating a beautiful environment in your home or garden, either near a pond, or stream, or a patch of a rut. This decorative bridge was constructed using a sturdy fir wood which is coated with a finishing to eliminate or minimize splitting, rusting, or cracking. This outdoor component is a beautiful product that is highly durable to stand the test of time. Number 2. Shine Company 4FT, Cedar Bridge. This garden bridge, just as the name implies, measures about 4 feet in length. This awesome bridge gives or adds a cluster to a decorative backyard view. Shine Company is located in California and it has been providing an array of services and products for over 41 years. This product is handcrafted and made of high-quality goods which will change the perception of your garden. You can also place it to interact with the elements within your landscape. Number 3. All Things Cedar Foot Bridge. This All Things Garden Bridge is a very simple product with only a surface that has no rails or pillars for support. This bridge is designed to be very simple, and it is specifically for people who do not want a backyard bridge to be highly visible from their standpoint. This decorative bridge has a length of 4 feet, which is enough and convenient for a simple self-owned courtyard. If you need a longer or shorter bridge, there are more options when you need to purchase the bridge. Number 4. Coral Coast Harrison 6FT. For users who love gloomy appearances and dark beautiful structures, this wood garden bridge would be a choice that fits their needs. This product has a very sleek classic design with a very dark and handsome stain which would make sure your garden is in perfect condition. Whether you simply add an attractive visual interest to your backyard or you need an old sleek traditional look on your property, this wooden bridge from Coral Coast Harrison would just do that for you. Number 5. Kotulas Solar Pillar Bridge. We don't really know much about this garden bridge, but we would retry as much as possible to evaluate this product from our observations. The Kotulas Solar Pillar Bridge is a 4-foot bridge which its exclusive structure will transform the landscape of your garden. It is manufactured with Chinese fir wood which also features about 6 solar lights for added beautification. The solar pillar also makes the stroll through your garden much more natural. When it's night, this bridge lights up, creating an amazing lighted path which supplies ray of hope to plants in your garden.